All right, y'all. Today we're going to look at converting between measurements and finding area and volume of different shapes, something we've done pretty recently. This one today, you're going to be using your formula chart quite a bit. So one of those is in the classroom if you need it. Um, just remember, this is pretty simple. You're either multiplying or dividing. I'm going to jump straight into a couple little examples here. If I was trying to convert 7 yards into feet, I could see right here that 1 yard equals 3 feet. So I know I'm getting bigger. So I know I'm going to be multiplying, and I'm multiplying by 3 because I'm going from 1 to 3. So 7 times 3 would be, would be 21. So it'd be 21 feet. Same thing the other way. So if I want to convert 6,000 milliliters into liters, I find it on my formula chart. I can see I'm going back to a smaller number, so I'm dividing. I'm getting smaller, and I'm dividing by 1,000 because I go from 1,000 to 1. So 6,000 divided by 1,000 is 6. The only special case of these is if you have something like the third one. So I'm trying to convert 4 quarts into fluid ounces. Well, I can see right here, I don't have quarts and fluid ounces, but I do have quarts and pints. So I'm going to have to take multiple steps on this one. So I'm going to have to go from quarts to pints, then pints to cups, then I can go cups to fluid ounces. So I can tell right here it's just going to be multiplying by 2. So I know 4 quarts is 8 pints, and I know 8 pints is 16 cups. So then to get from cups to ounces, I'm multiplying by 8. So then I'm going to do 16 times 8, and I get 128 fluid ounces. So sometimes you might have to do a couple steps, but it's the same thing. You just take it one at a time. Then we get to area and volume. Y'all, just make sure you use the formula and you plug in what you have. Make sure you're choosing the right shape. Trapezoids, remember, have one set of parallel sides. So they're either going to look like this or like this. Those are trapezoids. Parallelograms have 2 sets. I've seen a lot of people get confused on those. That is a parallelogram because all of those lines are parallel. And then a rectangular prism, remember, this is base times height, but it's really the area of the base times the height. So it's the length times width times height. And then lastly, remember, to find the height, look for the right angle. Wherever your right angle is going to be your base and your height. If y'all have any questions on that, pop in and let us know.